Hello, everyone. My name is Daniella Levitt. I am the President of Ovation Global Strategies and also Executive Director at Leading Women Executives. I am so looking forward to spending time with you on May 9th at the Coin Laundry Association Excellent Women in Laundry event. Our time together will be spent exploring the topic of networking. Some of you love networking, and let's be honest, some of you dread it. And of course, some of you are fairly ambivalent about it. You'll do it because you need to. You don't mind it too much, but then again, you are very happy when you can just head home. Here's the thing. It is possible for everyone to learn to like networking. You don't have to love it, but by the end of our time together, I want you to at least like the idea of it. Why? Because our network refers to the set of relationships you have that helps you to get things done, advance professionally, and continue to develop on both a personal and professional front. So, it is important to understand the different types of networks that exist, how networks have an impact on important issues, such as how decisions are made, how resources get allocated, how individuals are identified and selected for opportunities, and also on your own personal career and growth. Exploring what type of network you do and don't have, and recognizing how to further build on what you have and what gaps you need to close, is a powerful way to take ownership of your ongoing personal and professional journey in a way that empowers you and helps you to pay it forward to others. After all, it's so much better to travel your path with the support and engagement of others as opposed to going it alone. So, in advance of our time together, I'd like to ask you to think about one thing. What are your networking goals? When we come together, I look forward to helping you build pathways to accomplish those goals.